morning, guys. We are loaded down to go to OSW this morning. We've got the spares on the back here, as you guys can see. They are strapped down with like 3 or 4 straps so they don't go anywhere. Car's on there. She's got 2 straps, the generator, all my spares. We are loaded down. We are definitely pushing the Taco to her limits here. It's going to be an interesting drive. Hopefully she responds nicely to it. But other than that, guys, it's going to be a wild adventure. 3-day drift event. It's gonna be a blast. Obviously me and Winston are gonna be driving the car. We'll be taking turns with that. I might let Talon get a little spin in there at the oval, but other than that, guys, we are ready to rock and roll. I probably won't do much filming until we get down there, get all set up, and then I'll check in with you guys and bring you up to speed and let you know kind of the schedule and what's going on. So I will see you guys down there. What's up, guys? We have made it to OSW. Here is our little setup, guys. As usual, there's good old Nate, always showing up to the events, showing out for the crew. Got my buddy AJ, that's who I bought my coilovers from, the guy's shop that I went down to that I didn't really get to film in a couple videos ago. And then those are our neighbors. They're freaking awesome, dude. We're gonna check those guys out later, but right now we're just gonna kind of walk around the pits and check everything out. This is my little neighbors. A little later. Decent turnout on the Friday. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Man, what are they doing in there? I don't know. I guess they must have. I didn't know they had a dyno in there. Something. Shoot. There's a good old LZ stacker. We're gonna go check that out real quick. Ton of stuff. So this car here, guys, was in a shop fire. This one, an E36, made it out alive. It literally melted. And they were able to save it, and he drove it here. That's insane. That is insane. This is a real budget setup. This is like perfect. They mean business. They're not breaking the bank, but they're also here, you know, they're showing what's up. A gnarly setup.
Fuck yeah, bro. Hell yeah. They're like, oh, I think that's the real guy. Fuck yeah, bro. He just fucking killed that shit, dog. That bitch is
what's going on, guys? I want to apologize about my lens here. The fisheye is totally like goner, or the wide angle lens, whatever you want to call it. But I'm kind of stowed up here on the top of the track, hiding from everybody. Just wanted to show you guys kind of our view. We're camping here in the corner, the same thing we did with the spring break bash. But this morning, guys, they're going to be running right now C classes out there, and then it's going to be the A class drivers, and then they'll be letting B class. I bumped up from last time. As you guys can see, the car is feeling wonderful, and there's a few clips there between me and Winston. Winston's kind of getting used to the angle, but I mean it feels like it came off the freaking dealership lot. It is doing fantastic. So I'm probably going to do a little bit of filming of the A class drivers out there, and our neighbors are offering ride-alongs and all that cool stuff because they're caged. So we're definitely going to do that and check that stuff out, and I'm going to film it for you guys. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. It's going to be a ton of drifting, and I'm just going to shut up now and let's get to it.